Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in Docker. Start by installing and launching the Docker desktop application on your computer. To set a proxy, locate the Docker application shortcut. This is typically found at the top for macOS users or at the bottom right for Windows users. Right-click on the shortcut and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Resources section and then to the Proxies section. Here, enable manual proxy configuration and enter your proxy details. For the HTTP protocol, format your proxy data like this: http:// then IP or server name, proxy port. Enter this in the first field. For HTTPS, use the same format in the next field. Below that, you can list any resources that shouldn't use the proxy. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Apply and Restart. If you have a personal proxy, the format changes slightly: http:// then username, password, IP or server name, proxy port. Set this for either HTTP or HTTPS. Remember to save your changes. And that's it. Your proxy is now set and you can start using Docker with the proxy settings in place. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.